The deck is getting closer to being done now. We've been enjoying it by sitting on those hanging chair. I still have some work left before it's completely done. I already seal most of those corner area to protect it from water before I can paint it. I also add silicone in those cracks to prevent water from seeping into the lumber. All those wood will be painted in black to match the baluster. Next, I will be adding deck skirt to keep critter from living underneath the deck. Our front porch used to have a couple of groundhog that used to live underneath it, and I did a solution to keep them away. So I will be using this same type of method to keep those groundhog from coming underneath this deck. And lastly, I will be adding a gutter. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.